Alright YouTube, so what you're seeing now, that's the F&D 2.0 soundbar, and that thing has two passive radiators. Just right there you can see that's the left one and the right one, and that's the driver, the right one, and that's the driver, the left one. So today I'm going to do the gaming test of this speaker, and in previous video I've seen the red dragon that's behind that F&D, you can see. So you heard how that sounds. Now today I'm gonna do the same gaming test with this speaker, and we're gonna see how it sounds. Is it better than that or no? I think it's gonna sound better because of the passive radiators. There will be more bass than the red dragon. Well, that's what I think, but we're gonna check it right now. So let's do that.
We're sorry. All lines are busy at the moment. Please hang up and try your call again later.
I can't get anyone on the home.
War has been drawn to the shores of the United States.
Sorry, stretched to
The Russians must have copied the ACS module. Got the key to every lock in America.
And they're killing 1,000 Americans for every dead civilian in Moscow. Looks like we're all out of friends.
Have been harassed or denied.
I know a guy. Let's find a payphone, if they still exist.
All we got out of Rojas is that the only guy Makarov hates worse than Americans is locked up in a gulag.
That's all we've got.
Sir, the militia's closing in. Almost 200 of them, front and back.
We're on the fight our way to the LZ. Let's go.
What about Rojas?
Nikolai, we're at the top of the propeller, surrounded by militia. Bring the chopper to the mark. Over.
Tango to
the market. Everyone get ready. Lock and load. Let's do this. Contact! You never contact! 4 bombs on the rooftop! Come to the north and the south! Go! Kilo! Everyone on the roof! We're just on the yellow building! Go! Contact! 12 o'clock!
All warfare is based on deception. For years, the
OC, we've got a caller with a lead on the chemical attack. Says he'll only speak to you.
Identify yourself.
Mac, this John.
We put a lot of names in the clock tower this week, lad.
It was Makarov. The bastard slipped through my fingers in Sierra Leone. What does MI6 know?
You're on everyone's shit list, John. There's no way I could get you clearance.
Don't give me that. You still owe me for Pripyat.
The last thing we need is to get caught in that. Let's move.
So you think one army was telling the truth about Bork? He was telling the truth. I bet Makarov's life on it. We start making plans. Take fire! Take fire! Nikolai, get out of there! Take cover! Contact right! Contact right! Get out of the open! Nikolai, change of plan! Head to the secondary opening! Storm is coming in first. I won't be able to press on once it hits. Just be there!
bridge down and the sandstorm is on top of us. We need emergency exfil.
Roger. We'll contact you when we get a fix on Nikolai.